Meaning of guru.
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 Guru. The word guru has its origins in Sanskrit and refers to a spiritual teacher or guide. In contemporary culture, the term has expanded to cover an expert or authority in a particular field or discipline. A guru is someone who possesses specialized knowledge and expertise, and is highly respected for their insights and advice. They are often sought out as mentors, coaches, or advisors, and their guidance and wisdom can have a profound impact on their followers. A true guru is not just knowledgeable, but also compassionate and able to inspire and motivate others to reach their full potential.